Malaga tiang, malaga runwang, malaga changder, gwadni kun, tinta yentinawal, and gadun ni chanko nyatungo garjamra. And back roi method me cheche, me lawyer ni je damara ni kan ba ngot gok. Kan ba ngot, take a roi me chalat, roi mo che video che je ke ta pai wo. Kan ba ngut jen che berar janine ne belagan wara to kong ko keni it kwa situation nan tare loka ko kene fuel kan ba ngut. I hope this message will find you wherever you are, and I believe you are in Bor yene regai ko kel ga loka ten charo den je ko ke ye nuari kia ko ga loka in terms of material gains. Ryan Bachao long maybe within 10 minutes but Kenyam Jin ka message to me ja pan based on my time. A jinin and a lue ga nuarete kong, ki a belle ga nuarete kong. Eko can it take a situation with ore loka muku can a fuel. Allow situation to ore loka, a jen needy jacka jaga, but ye ekagano aretacom, guanitakatin. To be brief, Jin Kan Bangut. Yes, Jin Galoka, Telaramade deny, Chereke Ankor, a guy cook Galoka, Teramade denied, and the rest of the list can continue. Nay, the Altung which I will mention, the list goes on. Ken eto ken cha kwai nu bi ka jal kel gwanter mi wud janga mi cha Salva Kiir mi chi wiji nu be Sudan che da mi chi gat kon ka man kon cha kana me dan ka jube aman mi chara ga ta ngode na de. History is before us. It is well documented. Men bokula larji jin allow la new real roduka ibrai ke issues to ore loka kire nuara, as if you care for the safety and the well-being of our people. Ala kon ne ngot kel ga nuara tenchuch kon kuni you consider o yen ke yen ne kon chia ga betray chia community dan chia betray chia our society and our lifestyle as a Nuer chia betray the dreams of our forefathers as well chia ga betray. That is just a point of reference. So jin michi berar ka media chu jogo jin rayo on behalf of low community. Ko jin deru kula roi on behalf of low community ka medan me cha gore kume Salva Kiir be violation be lat mal me cha tan cha witness je we mondial me cha goro ne jen be violated. What did they do? She can cantonment sign de diale cha real kare mal cha ka wang cha na bom che te ga liam dit. That was a point of reference. Muguru ne doran minyon je yelemu. Kaga Nuer to kula blame walame. He can dinyon ga doran. Kume Salva Kiir la kume janga jen che goro tele mal me belos. Ko gwe je o mal mu wa implement bi wunu ara betaka gwadre mal. Betaka gwaz ka security matrix that include the composition ka military, ka security, ka sejun, ka wildlife. All the security apparatus in jag way ka be settle ki would janga jagoro be content. Now ngumu gore belat. You goro un and ever mal be abrogated, allow be mal be pen one yam. Changulel, major cantonment, check destroy gunships. cha kwar te kon te juwa ka jube ka mal cha ka wayan. That was a turning point. It was a significant moment. Mi jiram la gur ti ya gar pin if you are not blind. There is a wargang ni te cha gor cha ka abrogated the day when Salva Kiir chose the cantonment site ni beka destroy. Upon destruction of cantonment site changulel cha kwar cha ka yan. Me cha kwar cha ka yan changulel cha goro be position te kon te cha las rei wargang ni te cha taing was guamala. Especially position te ya kama spele mayo chakari possess. Chariagai known as a deliberate attack on the peace agreement itself. And the appointment of Dr. Regai was a deliberate attack and abrogation of the peace agreement ku Rei Mala Jonglei state was given to Soa. If you could remember, Dina Chagor was a governor of Jonglei State. She Salva Kiir unilaterally made a decision to mal be abrogated. Cheria guy ko chenong with a decision unilaterally made by him. A nangje decision mo ko be mal veda. So as a consequence, me cheria guy chenong ngai kon dialeo a dagmala. As an extension, a guy coach Belel. Che Bejian, che commissioner, ka akobo, Milarana spell mayo che bewoy. Brother Paul Yang. Major Paul che woy, charlo che te resistant. A man making our audience convinced. So making our audience convinced. Cha po cha wa advise man me cha kom cha to chire gai ko chungule cha kom che kam gar nya lew, which is also extension of wood ba mal bada ko kom mete mila kom opposition chi Salva Kiir che kam re gai ko Jonglei state chire gai ko through extension che nyo yen che violation wo carry on ka Akobo County. And then Manumeshi wrangling chatwa with me, Charle Nepal. Okay, the cause of war in Kudoran le dah wale, and I had told you. A Kume Salva Kiir, can a governor Gaiko, by extension Kabul Makui. Ka kente kon te Bukanaz Kenyam. Ka wat kia. Tar be gangunda. A kente latka provocation through Gerald Walnya. Kente dialdo ngai konga. So manumechi kori jiga you to odoran. Baku fast track nije. Ko jin you seem to be contradicting yourself. E wo la yena la arete ga mal meno yena law. Law medan takare mala before the abrogation of the peace agreement. Since December 2013, genocide of the Nuer people in Juba, Nuer area is one of the peaceful area because any area that was under the control of Ayo, Changna Ego, Mityalu yen cham jie chia ba goro ne bia ne kun wo lom bia dor kun bia ka wo lom bia wo ka yo chi ko re de chop re lo chi ko de chop ka na ser chi ko de chop ka fan ga thanks to cham jie yen ga nuara yen ga lo ka sometimes la yen are forced to the point of ko no ban ro dan la rie ti chi ro de lot ko yen you are illogical. Jiran Michila ne role chi la niam ken jedu la o ken booth ke jimo. See your brain allow your mental capacity as a human. Ko jinu jin as a bite we monala human. You only live you don't only live through your mouth and stomach. It is your mental capacity to logically analyze things as they happen and consciously making a decision that will save you and safeguard the interests of your own community. When you lose that fundamental, when you lose that simple fundamental, that as a human being, that is what makes us different from wildlife animals. So now, a provocation ga loka de yen ka appreciate ko ni medan me chi kume che ben ka wat early 2014-15 china rodien lue man me chi de ye ta ka wat che ta ka wat ko jo yen lo. It was through continuous talks and negotiation go kono palno pin again it ka de ye ta ka wat ke all those years. But Mechi Abuguru, by extension of abrogating the peace agreement, HR towards Salva Kiir, Ibia Nangwan Dial te Ayuthin, a Jene Chakori Awatore Loka, through provocation of Walnya. So Tukur ke Lo Manmichaka Wale, Kume Salva Kiir, can Yencham Jay Tichiagoro be a Jalkel Salva Kiir. Now, coming to where we are. Ke maye pai wo ngwe chito rei lo ka ke lu cha destroy enga e kume Salva Kiir che dong kon na che yang kon na che dwar kon che gana che gat kon je ga ngot ulun me be ke medan che lar kon frankly speaking ko chu ko trai ga tok de che lar wo ne kon low chia na ngong bin e bere dun ko won e ben chine ga parliament man pala kun. People were thinking it was a joke, but me chi ga ben ngwe chi to che ben cha la la den roi da cha dong kon ngot cha yang kon ngot cha men kon cha ka la de je mu ku ye gwa wo jin biro dung ye ka te chi to cha ma thu ru kon te cha tat pin ni wal cha ka destroy cha ka tul cha dul kon dia la ga wang ke te cham je kon, including men like yourself. So wala mithi ko ro da no ne rei lo ka angam yar je e kume Salva Kiir ke ne cham je te la ga lo ka ti cha no ne ba dorian ba destroy through them. So now, where do you come from? Idiriga Nuer to Kong, Tin Ngai to Dirika be blamed for pointing out the facts. A hore loka, Midaja, Ken Yenga loka, Tiagoro, Biadorunu Biaka, Kajai Kun and Tukun. Charakon forced to dig out all detailed information. Mani Yotala Kamga Mabodol and those of Wanya Ngai. Ngai a manera guy ko and what are the possession Titaka at his own disposal to destabilize Law Nuer area tel Ramukuja. Furthermore, Mechiri guy ko chela de lengu instead of issue edane to meku destabilization le nyo cause regan bal kalankin elengu dumbul makuye dan ngai mejitwo. What did the guy do? Instead of what Jennifer or Nosia got Nuera got lock him a cook. She won't Lanimicha Latkeran, she went in a Genia County headquarters, Kapadi, which is what is happening today, Kagarnya Lao. Kogarnya Lao Chalo, a Jikub, a Chajo Rarka Kube. And Tamache, when you know, go guru below Barodian, Nakarodian Kawalga, Chagarnya Lao, no, when you are Kawalga. Now, when these facts are being pointed out by Ganuara, you jump to a wagon of blame, silly blame game. Instead of taking full responsibility for betraying our very own community, you want to jump off the wagon and saying, "Nei de kwa na bele, nei de kwa rei lo ka kwa yar, ika ga Nuer te kong te nan ga to." Rei lo ka yar ka yet ka te dun yen ga lo ka te chia interest Nuer ke liu, chiman interest lo ka chia kwa. My last point, video me short, but I will actually come out to address all these issues, including cham je kondial tenga yen ke. Rei lo ka menene brother Khan. Destruction in any yit wotin. Ram ba ho responsible area gaiko a bulma kwe nyaleo ke kumedian la ethnic regime in Kwarul ka Jube Salfakir. These people will be wholly responsible. If not today, in the near future. God kon tin changot, dong kon ti chana, yang kon ti chana, and all the destruction. Mikin mitwore loka cha tuo ke time micha violation lat charia gai ko nung, chiria gai ko garnyala benung. Then now she destruction midi cha tuo. So yen la yen na the John tame one ne ibo yen kamal lau issue micha issue jinu Sudan. Katil chara ka ye. Gur yene one ne ku yene narrow to tribes, to clans, to sub-clans and families. Ku yen you are short focus. Your memory is very limited. Your vision is opaque. Therefore, you betray your very own kinds. Kumi chi alat na me cha alat ke ne ngai ka nga. E yen ne gur yen ne la politician yer ga doctor ya gai ko ka yet upstairs ka ye yen is diminishing. It is diminishing. Rei lo ko me cha destroy kuja destroy kume Salfakir. A woman can't let Ray Locker. Chadwell Gor Gartin T. Kenelat examined and Chabo Kapieri. It's on record. Cha hospital ka Lankin cha burned down to ashes. Cha health facilities cha destroy is on record. Cha Munkon cha rape, cha Nyekon T more than 10 cha rape. Recently, just a week and a half ago, Mukuye. Area of Riang Chanyal Charib, a wounded Amakel. Who are you to come and lecture us? God Nuer in Chato Changai, who are you to come and lecture them? It's absolutely illogical. For a Nuer will, Mingani Jidekan a role, a woder benebe lecture, Conga loca to Naigato. Conclusion, Jamen. Ma bodol wal nya gar ke tolche. And many of you will pay greatly for the destruction you have caused. If not today, you will do so tomorrow. Disunity in Gur Yene. Wo yere jinu Sudan wo yene kabre loka ku yelala bonne ka mare loka mal chi nyungu no yene re loka mal jai ni ku no yene loka ka ngam chi la ro lo tele mal. The fake slogan of a way ko je way te mal, in fact it was a slogan mide nang ni je a way let a way to ka kor a way let a way to ka kor a gen slogan e dan e jel ka ga ko, but it was hidden under a canopy of a way coach, a way to Kamal. We lock a way Nuera ke lo coach new wall since me chana roda and long defend. But me chi cham je Nuera go ba lebung ke beneun and a way let a way to a core. So Umbalarji, you have nothing to offer to us. kang yen nuari kang yen lo ne ne tin no ngo ye ne bi bo yen na e ka ayu ne ere ante te ayu tin la no ngo kwan music ken ga mo complain entamu ka wal gang mitani yen tin mi chi yen ku disturb la cha yen cha cham to kon te kang yen ga anu kon no let yen criminal activities dag yen unity law ka law te la jal kel entamu dag yen ke e betene ko chi nyangu you guys should be ashamed of yourself. History will not forgive you. We will judge you forever. Regai will be judged forever by not only the sons and daughters of law, by the entire Nuer community for betraying his own kind, not only once, more than twice. Media, please watch what you say. We have full records and evidence. Ka betrayal en chi alat ka nekun, mi chi alat ka dorun because of your selfish interests. This selfish interest will be short-lived. And nimi chi ko the me cha thwa la zo gode. In the words of Martin Luther King, the arc of moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. Justice will be served. Because the care yendial, and in your eye widely, ko bicham jay nuare, be kenagui. Thank you. And got do ni chanko nyatungo nyamra.